So in the last episode, we got into the basics of Figma and how to get started with Figma and what are the basic things you should need while you have been interacting with Figma. Today we'll learn about collaboration and how it helps if there are two or more designers in one of the design files and they can work in a similar fashion. Let's learn that in this video. While this video, we will go through some shortcuts because while designing a file, you will be more optimized and efficient while you are using some keyboard shortcuts or you're having a great mouse which is good on tracking, which helps your design process a bit more faster. But learning those is very essential to make your workflow more efficient in day-to-day basis. Alright, so this is a website what I am being creating for myself, and this is on one of the files which I will show you by sharing. This is logged into a desktop version of it. I will show you how to download the desktop version from the web version also in this video. What we will do is we'll share this video to that account of mine. This is another one of my accounts and show how the sharing works. It directly goes to me. So you can see a couple of people are already there on this, but I will write mail ID which I have opened in another mail. Yeah. So you can give access to both edit and view. I can show you in the last video itself. So you create an invite and you can get that this person has got the invite to do that. You can copy the link directly from here. You can share that to the particular person. Now you go to the mail. You can quickly check your mail and in the update section you will be having that invite. Once you click on that, it will be transferred to that. This is how it looks. Just click on open in Figma and it will open in that file itself. I'll show you how it works. So in that you can see this has been shared and I can now have the access to this. Now what I can do is I can see what is building. To zoom in, use Control or Command in your keyboard or Windows or Mac respectively. You can quickly scroll and do stuff like this. You can press and hold space to move and drag and move around stuff. Now you have seen that there are two people in the file working collaboratively. One is open, one in my desktop app, one in my browser. What I can do is I can use this section of commenting. For example, right now we are working, you can add a new comment. This image is too deep. I can put this image to I can post in comment, I can put a smiley if I want to, and I can tag someone within this file itself and they can get that. For example, I will tag that one, which is that account, and I can quickly send. What happens? It immediately sends a notification to the mail, and I can get those in the you should get notified file. I can see this option. Now I'll go back to the desktop version. Now I can see, okay, fine, someone has commented this image is too deep. What I can do? I can click on this, I can reply by fine, I will change it. You can use that tagging itself, mention those, or you can just simply pass on that. You can comment on the simple stuff. But we can do this, you can quickly click on cross and it stays there. But what happens if you don't want it? It's just resolved. Once you click on plus, it gets resolved. Now you can work on a smoothly basis. You can see what other people are doing in a real-time manner and I can understand. You can talk with them by commenting and stuff. I'll show you one of the feature of this which is very important. For example, you have gone and did something which you missed but you remember that it should have been done or you should have gone back and you can go to the version history. Now you can see lots of version history which has been saved up recently by Figma or yourself, and you can go back and get those assets from there to this version history. You can create your own version history from here and you can filter it out with some of the options. Understand Figma is a very, very, very powerful tool. When you start collaborating with people, it's much more easier to accomplish something which you and some other creative third person I might bring to your design thought process and help you to get the best of the both worlds. Thank you for watching this video. Use this video to share it with your friends and show how you can interact with two people in a single design profile and create something very awesome. That's it for this video. Stay tuned. There will be much more of these videos. We are making these videos as short as possible and crisp as possible so that you can focus on individual structures and learn individual parts of Figma. As I said, Figma is such a powerful tool. It takes some time to get used to the patterns and how the things works. In these videos also, I will share some small tips and tricks while I'm showing some creative process around it. Stay tuned for more. I hope you like it. If you really like it, please press the like button and comment down below if I need to improve something else for you, and stay tuned for the next video. Thank you.